Once a titan of the road, this Scania oil tanker truck is now a shadow of its former glory. Today, we take on the challenge to restore it back to its full splendor. First, we assess the damage. Rust has eaten into the metal, and years of wear have left the engine and structure in need of serious attention. But beneath the grime lies a machine built to endure. Careful disassembly begins. Each part is cataloged, cleaned, and prepared for repair or replacement. From the massive tanker to the intricate engine components, no detail is overlooked. Rust removal is a painstaking process, but it's the foundation of any great restoration. The frame and tanker are sandblasted, revealing strong metal ready for a second chance. The truck begins to come alive. A fresh coat of paint restores its iconic appearance, while meticulous polishing adds the finishing touch. The Scania's timeless design is reborn. Under the hood, the heart of the truck is revived. With precision assembly and thorough testing, the engine roars back to life, ready to conquer the roads once again. From rust to resilience, this Scania oil tanker stands as a testament to engineering and determination. Another piece of history, preserved and ready for a new journey.